Okay, I want to do a quick how-to on how to add a favorite to your favorites bar up here, right at the top. It'll make it nice and easy to get to them. So you can see some of the ones that I have. So all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in the page that you want. So one that I would like you guys to do is to do Ontario Local Schools. And then once you're on the school's homepage, this is why I want you here. This has all of the student pages that they need for login. So if they have logged into their Chromebook, they can get to Clever easily, and it's already logged in. They don't have to type any more passwords. And the same thing for Envision EasyBridge. This is their math. So what you need to do to order or to place it in your favorites bookmark bar is to click this star right up here. So it says bookmark this tab. Yes, we want to do that. And then I have lots of folders and things in here, but you just want to keep it on the bookmarks bar and click done. And then you'll see that it added it right to here. Now, I believe you can drag these and place them. Oh, I just placed that in a folder by accident. We're going to take that out of that folder, back onto the bar. So I usually have this one all the way over here. It's my favorite spot for it. It's the one that I use the most. That's what I recommend doing for you guys, is to make sure you have that site. Okay, the other site that I recommend that you go ahead and you place within your favorites bar at the top is going to be guided readers. So under Google, I just typed in guided readers, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on Kids Login. And this is the page that I would link in there. So again, you press your favorites bar up here and you click, on the bar up here, you click the star. And you want to keep it on the bookmarks bar. Just click done. And then nicely it appears right here for your kiddo to use regularly. Those are the main ones you're going to need. Hopefully you can go ahead and add those to your favorites bookmark bar. And see you next time on another tutorial.